Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to 81 over 8, and I will use about tan t square, because if I put this one gone here, we have number 8 and number 8, we cancel 81. We can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1 we change by secant of t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. Now we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have number 2 tan t, and we have secant of t square dt. So I will put this one gone here, this one gone here. ds we change by this one. So number 8 and number 8 we cancel. So 81 we can do about factorization. So this one we change by secant of t square, and this one we have 9 secant of t. Now we need to simplify this one and this one. So we simplify tan t secant of t. So I will put number 2 and number 9 go outside. This one we change by 1 over cosine t. Similar for this one. This one we change by sine t over cosine t. Now we need to simplify cosine t. And this one we have cosecant of t dt. The integration of this one we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotan t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by 81 over 8, and we have as over 81, and then we put the square root for the both sides. And now we have t equals to octane of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.